SmartFix. This keyless remote case allows you to simply replace a cracked or worn case. Convenient repair. Makes restoring a worn-out key fob easier by just replacing the cover. Seamless fit. Matches dimensions of original transmitter cover for a tight seal. Trustworthy protection. Keeps moisture and debris out of internal electronics. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Cracked or wore out your key fob case? Just replace the case with this convenient, affordable keyless entry transmitter cover, restoring the look and functionality. Top reviews from the United States. It is perfect. I just have to touch the bottom smoothly, no pressing hard like before. And the design looks good. Worked great for my 1998 Ford Ranger. Item just as expected, worked great for my 1998 Ford Ranger. It's just a case, so you'll have to transfer the battery and motherboard from your current remote into the new case in order for it to work.